19-year-old youth found dead at Siloni River after 2-day SDRF search operation. A tragic incident at Siloni River in Langsokangtu under Longnip area of Karbi Anglong district ended in sorrow after the dead body of 19-year-old British Bora was recovered today following an extensive 2-day search operation by SDRF and Fire and Emergency Services. According to reports, British Bora, a resident of Hardiati, Bokhulia in Karbi Anglong district, had come to Siloni picnic spot yesterday along with 4 family members and 1 friend. A group of 6 arrived at the spot around 1 p.m. by auto rickshaw. Soon after reaching the area, British Bora and his friend reportedly went towards a dangerous point of the Siloni River. During the incident, British Bora was swept away by the strong current and drowned, while his friend narrowly managed to save himself. The remaining 4 family members were safe. Immediately after the incident, SDRF and Fire and Emergency Services launched a rescue and search operation. After continuous efforts from yesterday till today, the SDRF team finally recovered British Bora's dead body today at around 3 p.m. Nearly 50 meters away from the original drowning spot, officials said the body had drifted away due to the heavy flow of water in the river. The district commissioner also visited Siloni today and took stock of the ongoing rescue operation. Local residents and family members appreciated the hard work and dedication of the SDRF team in recovering the body after hours of continuous searching. Meanwhile, the members who came with British Bora alleged that despite Siloni being a popular picnic destination, there are no proper safety arrangements at the site. They claim that basic safety equipment such as life jackets, ropes, barricades, and warning signs are absent at the dangerous river spots. The tragic incident has created a wave of sorrow across the region.
আমি যোৱাকালি তিনটা পৰা আমি উদ্ধাৰ অভিযান চলাইছোঁ। এতিয়া বৰ্তমান ডেড বডি পোৱা হ'ল। আমাৰ পূজাই পাৰ্টি আৰু আমাৰ ডিফু SDRF লোক লাগি SDRF টিম SDRF আছে, ফায়াৰ ব্ৰিগেডৰ আছে, আমাৰ ফায়াৰৰ মানুহ আছে, দুটা মিলি লগ লাগি এতিয়া পালে 3 বাজি পালে। এতিয়া এতিয়া এইটো 24 ঘণ্টা অলপ বেছি হ'ল, 24 ঘণ্টা ধৰক 24 ঘণ্টাই অভিযান চলাইছোঁ আমি। এতিয়া সমল পালে ডেড বডিটো পালে ভৰিত লাগিলে আমাক লাইন চাৰ্জ কৰা মই এতিয়া ইমান এইটো পাথৰ তলত পাইছে, বালু আৰু পাথৰৰ মাজত ভিতৰত পাথৰ ভিতৰত।
ডেঞ্জাৰ জোনটো তলত কেনেকুৱা মানে?
ডেঞ্জাৰ জোনৰ যোনটো পানী আছে এইটো বহুত ডিপ আছে, 20 ফুট মান হ'ব। 20 ফুট নিজত ইমান পানী নাই, ওপৰতে যোনটো জেগা আছে এইটো পানী পূৰা দ' আছে, বহুত দ' আছে, ৰিক্স আছে তাত, পূৰা বিৰাট ৰিক্স আছে। পাথৰটো ভিতৰতে গাড্ডা এটা, তাত সোমোৱা চান্স তাত এনেকুৱা হৈছে চাগে। বয়স 20 বছৰ। এইটো বকলীয়া।
News Desk Report, Northeast 24/7, Karbi Anglong.